Come on, kids, today we are going on a fun journey from A to Z. Are you ready? Let's begin. A for apple, red and sweet. B for ball, bouncing and fun. C for cat, meow meow, so cute. D for dog, loyal and smart. E for elephant, big and amazing. F for fish, swimming around. G for giraffe, long neck and fun. H for house, cozy and lovely. I for ice cream, cold and yummy. J for jelly, soft and tasty. K for kite, flying high. L for lion, king of the jungle. M for monkey, playful and funny. N for nest, home for birds. O for orange, juicy and sweet. P for parrot, chatty and smart. Q for queen, royal and beautiful. R for rabbit, fast and cute. S for sun, shining and warm. T for train, long and fast. U for umbrella, helpful in rain. V for violin, beautiful music. W for watermelon, cool and sweet. X for xylophone, fun music. Y for yacht, floating on water. Z for zebra, striped and lovely.